Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to add comma 1000 separators in Power BI. So let's say my data looks like this, and you can see there is no 1000 separator, and I've also loaded this data into the Power BI file. So I quickly show you this. So it's got like this. You can see there's no comma separator, and now what I've done is I've tried to visualize it. So I've brought the same fields into my table. So I'm just using a table here, and there's no comma separator, but I want this sales amount. So to show the comma separator, how do I go about doing that? So it's fairly simple. Just select the sales amount. This is the column on the Power BI desktop, and it brings you to column tools. And in column tools, you can see you check the format type, it's a whole number, and then you just go here and just add a comma separator. And once I've clicked this, you can see that the values have changed and all the values have commas. So it's fairly straightforward to add this. All you need to go is go to the select the column that you want, or go to column tools, and then with the column selected, you just change the data type. So you can see the data types for other columns as well, but in this case we're just concerned about the sales amount, and all we've done is we've added the comma by clicking on the comma button. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.